Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and now I'm gonna show you how to turn on or turn off camera before your stream. So of course, go to first app, then go to the plus sign, choose whatever you want to stream. Let's go Minecraft, and go to the circle, go here and choose what platform you can stream. Go to the stream settings and they remove it. To turn on or turn off the camera, as you can see in the overlay, there's a switch, so just touch the overlay. Then if you just want to turn on it, go to the settings, then pick whatever you want. If you want your camera or a picture or your profile picture, then you can put some overlay message. And if you just want to turn off, just touch the switch button. Last time you can see the camera in stream settings, then you can see the camera, it said camera, but right now it said there. So pick any whatever you want. So this is the only can only use. So then go to the start. As you can see in the circle thingy, so of course I will not show you my face, guys. Okay. So that's how you do it, guys. On the camera, guys, they updated again where the setting of the camera. So I help you guys. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you just want to, and please leave a like, and please check my channel, some of my videos if you want Call of Duty Mobile, Minecraft, and that's all. Thanks for watching.